What's up guys, this is a tutorial for the crawler. Before you start, make sure you have to have an access to Larva site. If you don't, please ask James for the account. Now, once you got in this page, let's start to create a request. First, choose the categories that you want to crawl. For example, let's check the arts crafts and set a page. Always remember there is a maximum number of pages for each category, and if you don't want to put any the default value is maximum number page. In this case will be 400, but let's put 300 for now. Then you can open up the tab to see the subcategories. Get into them and choose the categories you want and set the pages just like we did with main category. You can always manually set the pages, but we have this cool function that calculates the percentage and for you. For example, if you wish to crawl only 50% of the subcategory, you put 50 here and click on Sub button. You can always do the same thing to Sub as well. You can check the total pages, estimated ASIN, and time above. Please be aware of them and schedule this request efficiently. Let's see what we got for upload tab here. In here is pretty simple. You can upload your own ASIN list besides selecting the categories. Go ahead and click on select and select your CSV file. Then click continue to move on to next step. In step 2, you can set the filter for getting historical data. We will crawl all the ASIN list you've requested, but not the historical data. Only the ASINs got filtered out from your criteria here will be getting historical data from Keepa. So carefully set the filter and go ahead and hit continue. In this step, you will be able to see the requests you made so far. Check if anything went wrong and write down your request name. After that, check the email that's written here. This will be automatically filled out based on your login info. But if you wish to change it, go ahead and input the valid email address. This address will be used for the alert. Once you hit the request button, you will good to go. Now, let's go and see the status. Your request will be show up as ready. For the done results, you may download the result as CSV file. If you hover your mouse to each question icon, there are some information you might want to check for the request. And for the filter data, this filter is the one we talked earlier. Those are the ASINs having the historical data. And for the crawler data part, this is the total ASIN list you've requested. This might little less than the expected amount because we are not 100% able to crawl the information for Amazon. Let's see what happens when you click on the download icon. It'll let you to set the filter for the last moment. But if you don't mind just downloading the whole thing, just hit the download button. This is it for crawler part. Let's move on to Keepa. In this page, you can see the historical data of ASIN. First of all, select the request that you wish to see. Then, set the trend and velocity range. At last, hit the Apply Filter button to see the result. Basically, we are showing all the result but coloring the data which got filtered by your filter. And we show the minus value of trend as red. You can also see the price chart by clicking the ASIN. It'll take you to Keepa page and show your chart of Amazon price history. Also, you can filter out the date with this filter here. This is useful when you wish to see the certain month. At last, for the download button, it'll let you download all the ASIN and the historical data as CSV file. So, this will be end of the crawler tutorial. If you have any question or any feedback for this program, let the I team know about it. Thanks for watching this video.